Well, hi there. Looking at Mission Ridge right now in Wenatchee, getting a little bit of wet snow and a little bit of rainfall mixing in at times, but they are about the only location right now at this level that's getting just a little bit of snow because our snow level up to 5,500 feet and going even higher heading into the weekend. So any snow will be high elevation snow through really early next week at least. If you are heading out to the mountains, maybe the Cascade Mountains, notice these highs. This is typically where we are for the lowlands. You know, Seattle proper, we should be in the mid and upper 40s right now, but you're going to have to go to the mountains if you want to be that cool, believe it or not. We are going to have some rainfall in the mountains as well, and this is just letting you know we already have a warmer than average trend, but that's going to continue. Look at the dates on here through next week and next weekend. And normally I don't really show you California, but I've paused it here to let you know San Francisco, of course, where the Super Bowl will be, or just outside of there next weekend, is also looking warmer than average. So it's not just Western Washington, it is the entire Pacific Northwest, and drier than average as well, at least slightly drier than average as you get a little bit closer to home. So when are we going to move back into this trend? Well, we're seeing signs that it will likely begin next week. I don't think it's going to be another 14-day stretch. Probably won't break any records with this one. But right now we are getting some much wanted and much needed rainfall. This, by the way, is attached to Hawaii. So it's bringing in some of that tropical moisture, some of that tropical air. We used to call this a pineapple express. Now it's better known as an atmospheric river. It's not going to be enough to cause any severe flooding, nothing like that. It's just kind of what we typically get this time of year for our rainy season. As we take a look, scattered showers all across the area. It will taper off late as we go into late tonight, but then Friday we've got some more rain on the way. That tapers off tomorrow night, and then Saturday you might run into a very isolated shower in the morning. One little disturbance kind of moving from south to north. It's going to be quick and short-lived. Then the rest of your Saturday should actually be dry. Heading into Sunday, we've got some more rain, and Monday as well. That will kind of be the last leg of this. Then high pressure begins to build in as we get toward the early part of next week, and look at what happens. It blocks anything trying to come our way. It's going to send it up into Canada, up into Alaska. So that means next Tuesday, next Wednesday, maybe even next Thursday, we could actually stay dry. So there's that drier than average trend as we get toward the mid and latter part of next week. Of course, there's more rain to come before we get out there. We're looking at about another inch or so across Puget Sound. We have that convergence zone setting up, so we could see a little bit more than that in Bellingham, closer to 2 inches there. As you take a look from the coast all the way through the Olympic Mountains, we're looking at another 1 to 3 inches of rain or so. Again, a lot of this is going to fall for Friday. We'll get a little bit of a break on Saturday, so Sunday, Monday, this will kind of be the gist of it, and then we get another break. So kind of the best of both worlds. We're getting some needed rainfall, but we're also going to get some dry time. The only thing is lowland snow. We don't have any in the forecast. I just want to add this quick note for those of you that are wanting some. Typically the month of February, that's when we get it. Even if we start off warm, even if we have record-breaking warmth, we still almost always are able to squeeze out some lowland snow. It's not a guarantee. Just want you to know that just because we're looking warmer than average, that does not mean that we're not going to have cold snaps, we're not going to cool down, and we won't get more snow, at least for the mountains and the passes. So we'll just wait and see, but just wanted to add that quick note. Hey, temperatures will be near 60 degrees as we head into Saturday, and again heading into next week. If we get just a little bit more sunshine, and that is possible, then we can take those upper 50s for Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe slide those just a little bit closer to 60. We'll see. Don't think we're going to break any records, at least not yet. The records for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday would be 62 and 63 degrees, depending on which day you're talking about. So we could come a few degrees shy of a record, but not necessarily break any. But still, we will definitely be warmer than average through next weekend at least.